Hello everyone, this is Odils Learning Foundation doing a walkthrough guide about how to make an email address from your mobile phone. First, you need to open the internet on your phone. Next, type New Gmail account into the search bar at the top of the screen. Then, click the first link. Then click the red button. In the first box, write your first name. In the next box, write your family name. In the third box, you choose your email address. You might need to do this a couple of times to find one that no one else has. Next, you need to type your password in the next two boxes. Your passwords need to be the same. Remember to write down your email address and password. When you're ready, click the blue button. If you have a UK mobile number, it is a good idea to put it in here. This will help to keep your email address safe and help you get in if you have forgotten your password. You do not need to put your phone number or a recovery email address. You do need to put in your birthday. You also need to say whether you are a man, male, or a woman, female. When you're done, click the blue button. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click both the boxes to put ticks in them. Then click the blue button. Click the second blue button. You have successfully made your account. Click on the Gmail envelope to see your inbox. Your inbox is where you can read messages that people have sent you or send messages to other people. If you want to know more about reading and sending emails, watch our next video.